Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make the stir-fried water spinach in shrimp paste. Water spinach is Tong Choy in Cantonese. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of other yummy food. Let's look at the ingredients now. Full recipe is in description underneath the video. Shrimp paste is available in Asian grocery stores. Cut off at least an inch from the root part of the spinach, then cut it into half. Soak the water spinach in water for an hour. Wash, then drain the water spinach to the driest. Heat pan, then add 1.5 tablespoons oil. At medium heat, sauté shrimp paste until fragrant. Then add garlic and red pepper. Sauté until fragrant. Turn to high heat, then add water spinach. Try to squeeze all the water out. Squeeze the stem as well, so they can get softened easier during stir frying. Stir fry briefly. Add chicken powder and sugar. Stir fry until water spinach becomes softened. You may see the water spinach is fully coated with sauce now. Scoop out now. And there's not much water left in the pan because we drained the veggies really well in the beginning. The yummy stir-fried water spinach in shrimp paste is now ready to serve. Enjoy!